Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the new GIF update in the Instagram app. First, open the Instagram app and click on the arrow option in the bottom of your screen. Then click on your note. You'll see three options there. Click on the far right option and then there you'll see the options of Giphy that you can use. Choose the one you want to choose and then you could write something if you want and just click share. If you do not see the option update in your phone right now, go to your app store or your play store and then search for Instagram and update your app to the latest version and it will give you the notes update. This is how you can use the new GIF option in the Instagram app. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell option for more updates.